At Lee Kum Kee, we're sauce experts, and we know that the flavor is key to creating the perfect dish. It all started in 1888 when Mr. Lee Kum Kee, founder of Lee Kum Kee, got distracted while making oyster soup. When he returned to the pot, his soup had transformed into an irresistible sauce that's now famous all over the world. Since then, we've expanded our portfolio to include over 200 soy sauces, sesame oils, chili sauces, chili oils, vinegars, ready-to-use sauces, and more. Lee Kum Kee's commitment to superior flavor begins on the farm, where we work closely with farmers to ensure the quality, consistency, and traceability of our source products. Every item in our expansive line is created using best-in-class harvesting techniques and the finest ingredients. For instance, we use non-GM soybeans that are carefully harvested and selected by expert farmers and quality controllers. We pick whole chilies to preserve the natural flavor and spice level in our products, and we ensure chilies are free from additives and chemicals throughout production. Our sauces are made from 100% fresh oysters that are nurtured on our farms. These fresh oysters are processed and extracted on the day of harvest. These are just a few of the high-quality ingredients that go into our products, which are equally delicious inside and outside the wok. Every product that bears the Lee Kum Kee name is informed by the pillars of our brand. We are a trusted global leader in sauces, with manufacturing facilities in China, Malaysia, and the United States, and more than 6,000 employees worldwide. Our wide reach helps us stay on top of the latest food trends and provide you with the flavors that customers crave. Our research and development teams have deep expertise in regional Asian flavors, fermentation, and flavor layering. Depending on your needs, Lee Kum Kee offers custom manufacturing capabilities that can elevate your menu. What makes our product stand out among the competition is our unwavering commitment to quality. We like to say that Lee Kum Kee offers quality, never compromised. We have a zero-tolerance policy when it comes to quality control. If it isn't perfect, it isn't Lee Kum Kee. This attention to detail begins on the farm. We then carry this quality control into our manufacturing facilities across the globe, where we painstakingly monitor every aspect of production using cutting-edge tools and automated processes. And we're just as committed to sustainability. We strive to be an environmentally friendly corporation by reducing packaging waste with lighter bottles, recycling water, and utilizing solar energy. In fact, Lee Kum Kee was the first company in the global fermented food industry to receive LEED certification for its energy-efficient production base in China. All of these pillars serve as the foundation for our exceptional products. Whether you're looking for sweet, savory, spicy, umami, or something in between, Lee Kum Kee sauces, oils, and condiments are the perfect way to add a burst of flavor in any application. Unlock your menu's potential with Lee Kum Kee, where the flavor is key. Visit our website for recipes and product information.